Hello everyone, welcome back to my Excel channel. Today we are going to learn something amazing. As you can see, this is the table we have, and we have to find out the first score for these people. And accordingly, we have to ensure that in one drop down, we have to extract the second value, third value, and so on. You can see that there are three different data set is available. First set of data, second you can see in yellow color, and the one you can see in gray color. So, the challenge is that like whichever drop down value we have, 1, 2, 3, suppose let's pick this, cell. If I mention 1, so I should have first value. If I mention 2, the second value should be available. And then the third value, I should have it from this table. Then how to achieve this result? It's actually interesting, but a lot of logic we have to build. And how to do that? Let's see now. So guys, it's super crazy because there are a lot of formulas are there in my mind, but I give you the best solution. You can use filter. It got three arguments: array, include, and if empty. You can see the brief description about this formula where you have array. So what is array, guys? Collection of values are called array. Include, that means Boolean value you have to consider. If empty, this is called exceptional handling, where you can just add some different value rather showing error doesn't look good. Okay, then how to find out? So you can mention like this entire score. All right, you can mention this entire score, and you can press F4 one time, and then you can create your Boolean algebra. Select this entire column, and you can see that entire column you can select A31. Make sure you lock it. F4, that equal to Angela. So ensure that column J should be logged. It's good practice. After you calculate Boolean value, what you need to do, you have to ensure that some dash sign you can mention, hyphen or dash sign. Okay, then you can see that these are the value of Angela. Okay, this is Angela, not Mark or Jim, because there are three set of Angelas. If you want to fetch basis third value, fourth value, then how can you do it? So you have that value called take. Take what? Array. How many records you want? Only one value we want. As you can see, this is the value. If you drag it and you have seen the value are coming. This is the third value for Angela. Angela, this is the value I'm getting 35, 18, and 57. And if I go down 44, 71, 54 for Mark. As you can see, Mark. This is the Mark. Can you see that? No, this is the one, 44, 71. But actually the third value. So you have to see this. Okay, again, you see that Angela 35, 18, and 57. So you can see that I mentioned 1 over there. So rather 1, I can select this actually. And this you have to lock thoroughly. Now you drag it. Are we clear? So this value, you can remove it. Values are dragged, then the value is coming correct. As you can see, 3. So all 3 value I'm getting. Okay, and you can see 1 value I'm getting, but this is not right. This is not right because it is getting me 2 value and 3 value for Angela. Angela, all records I'm getting. Come on, can you see that? Then how to find out this? Because take means that array we have to consider. Third array, fourth array, and so on. Then what we have to do in that case? Like, this is crazy. Then how to? So you have one function. Let me just do it. Let me remove take function. Then which formula can help us? So do we have that formula called uh, choose rows or choose column? Let's see. Choose rows. Do we have that formula? Oh, great. That formula is there, comma. And you can see this and see that my job is done, guys. All right. And ensure that you lock it thoroughly. F4 one time and see that this logic we built right away with all of you. This is Angela third. Can you see that? Angela 41, 94, 67. Oh, matching. This is the Mark score, the last mark. Can you see that? 141.65. Absolutely matching. Jim 80.94.60, 80.94.46. Go there, Jim 80.94.46. Let's see one. The first score. Oh, come on. Angela, 35, 89, 57. It's matching. All right. Mark. Where is Mark? Mark. This is the one. 44, 71, 54. And Jim. This is Jim. 97, 70, 73. Awesome. Guys, this is actually the advanced VLOOKUP. If you mention two, the second value for these people. If you mention third, the third value of these people. And accordingly, you can create a drop down. So since I'm doing it online Excel, you can go to data and guys, data validation, and there you can select, guys, what you have to select. Come on, list you can select. And what is the list? There is no list available, but you can create your own list. Otherwise, you can create custom. Like, what is the formula? Let's try. Sequence, what you want. 10 rows I want. Let's see whether it comes or not. Oh no, it's not coming. It's not coming, guys. Then what you can do best, this formula we can create fill series. Sometimes I'm wondering that why such functions don't work. That should work, right? That should work. So you can go to data validation and there you can take the list. So guys, you can actually create 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Like that you can create and you can see the drop down is coming. That is okay, but you can select the array as well. In the list, you can select array like that. All right. I hope this is clear. And you can create one formula. I tell you, you can select this. Okay. Or maybe you can select this. Let me show you some magic. Now what happens? Only one value you can see. But if you create sequence function, like you want 10 rows, as you can see, delete the other one. And now you see that the data is still not coming. Okay, no problem, because I tell you something, what I'm doing here, you can select this entire array. Can you see that? I was talking about this hash sign. Okay. And you can see that drop down values are coming. If you want to increase that, you simply mention 100 and see that all 100 value you can easily find out here. Okay, I hope this is clear. And you can see 1 and you can see 2. Now, if I select 5, you can see error is coming. So what I was telling you, the last argument, if the value is not found, then it will get you this value. Clear? But it's not working. Why it is not working? Because that value is not there. Choose rows. You want 100 rows, right? Because if you apply filter, that error is different. Choose rows, because we applied in the wrong place, I believe. Because it should be done in the filter function. Okay, then you can simply use if error as well. If error. By using if error, you can simply dash and see that this is much better rather showing error. Clear? If you mention 2, then you can see the values are coming. If you mention 1, values are coming, right? You can select drop down, values are changing. I think this is better, guys, and you can use the function called choose rows. All right. So guys, this is the basic where you can find out your value basis the drop down value, and you can calculate or extract n number of records. So this part VLOOKUP can't do. This part XLOOKUP can't do. And trust me, index match takes lengthy formula to generate this kind of output. I hope guys you found this useful. For more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe and love my channel. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.